Hi guys, Bean here. So Color Street was a disaster. It did not last a week. It only lasted 3 days. I think it's because my nails are just too long, and if I bump something that my nail bends and the Color Street would just peel up. So today I'm gonna take this off and just do a new nail art. I'm not gonna do a full manicure. So I will come back with clean nails and washed nails. Hey guys, so this was after the first day. This is day 2. This is day 3. You can tell on these next pictures that they were lifting on the sides really bad. I think it might be because of the curvature of my nail and them being too long. And this is the very last day after I removed the strip, which was pretty easy. This is the curvature of my nail. Okay guys, I've removed all the nail polish and washed my nails. That fracture that I have on this nail is actually causing me some problems now. With the nail polish, I have the black didn't come all the way out of the cracks that I have, so the crack comes all the way down here, so probably once that grows out I will cut this nail. But until then I'm going to paint over it so you won't really see it. I am going to do a lilac nail art this week. So if you're interested in that, just follow along. First, I'm going to use ORLY Bonder. I always use a base coat. Then for all my nails, I'm going to use ILNP nail polish from Dusk till Dawn. Then I am going to use Color Club Feathered Hair Out to There and Color Club Diggin, the Dancing Queen. For the lilac stem, I'm going to use Bettie Be a Freak Like Me Too. I may or may not use this Pure Ice glitter. And then I'm going to use my Northern Lights top coat because I put that on everything. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, next I'm going to use the ILNP from Dusk till Dawn on all my nails, including my accent nail. Okay, I will now put the top coat, the Northern Lights, on all of my nails. Okay guys, I've decided to do the lilac only on my ring finger. So I have this little tray here that I'm going to put my polish in, just so I can dip in and not have my nail polishes open the whole time. So first I'm just going to make this stem. have a dotting tool, but I am going to just use a brush to make the lilac flowers. So I'm just gonna do a bunch of little dots, making it wider at the bottom and more pointy at the top. Now I'm just gonna go back over with some pink to give it some definition. So that's the lilac. I will let that dry while I do the other nail, and then I think I will go over with the glitter, just because you can never have too much holographic on your nails. At this point, I decided that I wanted more purple on the lilacs. So I just went back in and added a couple more purple spots to each one of the accent nails. Okay, here's that glitter. It shimmers really purple in the light, but the base color is blue, like a clear blue. So I just want to take some of it and put it on the lilac flowers so that it gets that purple shimmer in the light. I think that'll be cute. I'm not sure if it makes a difference or not, but I think it's cute. I will go back over it with the Northern Lights again. I kind of do this haphazardly. It is like you run a risk of smearing it if you don't wait for it to dry. But as you guys will find out, I am probably the most impatient person in the entire world. I cannot wait for anything. This is the finished look. It's just a cute little lilac. I know that it's Christmas, but I can't be bothered with the cold, and I want the spring to come back. I love flowers and plants in general, so I just have a little bit of spring with me, even though it's freezing outside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like and comment. Give me any ideas for any nail arts that I should do. I think I'm gonna do a dandelion next. As you guys can see, I love dandelions. Why not wear them on my nails? Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.